Alright, you guys, here we go. I'm gonna start trying to do some try-on hauls because I also love clothes just like I love makeup and any other junk that I want to collect. So I'm gonna do the best that I can. I literally thought that the camera makes things look bigger, but it literally makes my room look smaller. And so you're getting a vision here of my TV and my dresser and my mirror behind me, but I'm gonna try to not let the reflection of my camera and all of that get in the way. So today, short story long, I'm going to do a Walmart haul, and I'm just gonna wear, like, they're all shorts, okay? Because I have issues with finding shorts that I like because I am, well, first of all, I'm in between curvy and regular size, and also because since I'm like in between, I have like a smaller waist and my hips are like ginormous to me anyway, and then my thighs are a little skinnier compared to like the hips. So I always have something that'll be comfortable around the hips, but then, you know, they have all like this extraness like that. So it's a struggle. So I don't know if this is going to be a hit or a miss or what. And then I have a gut, so, you know, I just, you know, it's not going to be pleasant, it's not going to be pretty. I don't like undergarments because that's just, it's not my journey, guys. I also don't have I just have a comfy like bra on because I don't like underwires anymore after the stay-at-home order. So you know, I just hope you'll join me because Walmart has, so anyway, this is a Walmart haul shorts. I wear between a 12 and a 14. I did go ahead and go with the 14s on this. Look at all these shorts. So the first thing I do want to mention is I did pick up some more leggings. These are capris, and they were only $4.44. These ones I did go ahead and grab in an extra large because I like this is what I live in on my work days at working from home. So I bought 2 pair, and I am actually wearing these ones right now. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. I love them. The material is perfect, the stretchiness is perfect. I literally love them with my life, and they're $4, $4.44, 3 fours. For numerology, if you're into that, synchronicity. Anyway, so yeah, I'm not gonna try these on because, like I said, I already am wearing a pair, and that's me trying to do the thing. And I just wore, this is actually a $3 shirt that I've talked about in my previous videos where, you know, I bought a few of these and did some iron-on patches, Hello Kitty patches. I have a Care Bear one coming up. I'm actually going to be with this color shirt. And I just tied it up here with a hair tie because I want you guys to be able to see the shorts. So yeah, let's go ahead and do the dang thing. Alright, so the first ones that I got were these guys here. These ones are the No Boundaries high rise, and they are $11.98. Now I liked these because they have that 80s style. I don't know, because I like the distressedness of it, but I don't know if I'm gonna like these because they're not like rolled up like you'll see. Like the rest of these have the rolled hem at the bottom, so we'll see. And I don't know if they're gonna be too short because I don't want to wear short shorts like that. So oh, I need a stool like to stand on. That's what I should do because the kids have one downstairs. But these are super cute. Oh, I really like them. So they do come up here above the belly button, which is nice. So they don't have a lot of stretch, which I like. And what I do like about these is, as I was saying, you know, here is usually the issue that I have with shorts is they'll like go all the way out. Like I could literally fly with them like Dumbo. But these I think might be a keeper, you guys. What do you think about that? Okay, I'm sorry. Maybe I should cut that out if I like to edit. Anyway, yeah, I really like them, believe it or not. I wasn't sure because of this hem, or this distressedness, but I think that I really like it. By the way, I know my legs are super pale and white. I haven't tanned yet. I'll have to show you guys the tan stuff that I use. It's amazing. Can't remember the name of it. Okay, the next ones I have are these black ones, and these are also a No Boundaries super high-rise curvy mom no gap waistband. And yeah. Okay, all right, here we go. Black shorts, very nice. Again, here's the thing that I was concerned about here was this. I like that. So these are good. I like them. I like that they're not too short, but they're also not Bermuda momish. So yeah, so here is the back and the front and the kind of a pose, I guess you might say, and keeps the gut check in check. All right, so yeah, I think we have a winner. These ones were, how much were these? I believe they were $9.98 or somewhere around there. Now the next ones I have are also the same No Boundaries super high rise curvy mom jeans, no gap waistband, and they are this detail. Okay, so oh, these actually feel, even though they're like the same size and the same like everything, these ones feel a little more stretchy than the black shorts, and I think I really love these. Oh wow. Like, I can't believe I'm having like 3 hits in a row. Like, that's good news. Usually, like, I no joke, I've been struggling to find shorts for like 6 weeks. Okay, maybe I'm exaggerating. Maybe more like 4 weeks, but you get the point. Okay, so same. They're high waist, which keeps the gut in check. We got this angle. We got this angle. And yeah, so very comfortable. I think I like these better than the black pair. Again, like they stretch, but they don't have all that bat wing space. Okay, so these ones were the same price. They were like $9.98. And then, oh no, did I get, okay, these are not the same, right? Okay, these are a darker wash than this. This was a lighter wash. Same thing. Okay, here are the dark wash ones. I feel like they're not keeping the gut in check as well as the others. Like maybe I gotta suck it in more. Oh, these ones feel like, I think they're gonna stretch out, but if I find myself having to do the hula dance without a hula hoop, or I'm having to do lunges, it ain't gonna happen, Captain, because look, I'm past that part of my life now, you know, and I don't do lunges. I don't do it for a Scooby snack. I'm gonna do it for some jeans. So yeah, so if we're gonna be doing it, like, these ones are a little bit tight right here, like just right in here in this area, but you know what, I do really feel like they're gonna stretch out, so you know, maybe I'll give them a try. I don't know, I'm having trouble everything. Okay, I'm joking. All right, so anyway, that was, I still like them. Like, I'm gonna give them a try, which is weird for me because, like I said, any type of restriction that I feel, like it's just like a bad relationship for me, and I just want to cut it off, like, right that minute. So I don't know. I do really have hope for them, because the other two pairs were so good. So anyway, same price, the $9.98. Then I got, so Walmart now has the Lee brand, and these ones are a size 14, and these ones are $18.86, and they're this really cute, like, pink color. And so part of my Shein haul is that I ordered some really cute white tops to go on vacation with, and I don't like to wear jeans in hot places, so I'm gonna probably get lighter material like this that's way more flexible. So yeah, let's see what these do. These are amazingly comfortable. Check it out. I don't know if I necessarily like what it's doing for the flab in this area, and I also feel like my camera, I'm gonna have to re-angle it just a titty bit. Get it? I didn't even mean to say it like that. Yeah, okay. All right, let's see. Yeah, see, because they're kind of this nudie color, I don't know about that. So maybe they'll be okay if you had a longer shirt, and I'll have to reevaluate that when I get my Shein haul, the shirts that I chose, because definitely they're not gonna do well with a tucked in shirt because of, you know, me. But do I like them? Yes, absolutely. They're great. Here's the back of the booty, and again the front. Like, I just totally feel like it's almost skin toned. So yeah, I don't know. It's a bummer because, like I said, they're so flippin' comfortable. So I don't know, I might have to compromise. Now that's something I will do. If these are super comfortable, I will compromise my outfit and make it work. Whereas, you know, if they're just a little bit tight, like these ones, like, I just want to end the relationship with those shorts immediately. But these ones, like I'm in love. So I did buy another color of those in the same size. The Lee brand, they are $18.86, and they're like, I think they're blue. Are they blue or are they purple? They're like that periwinkle color, and I thought this would be so pretty with a white top. But we'll have to see if it does that. You know, we got to do the gut check. All right, let's see. See, I'm like so in love with these, but man, they make me feel like a mom. I'm like, I don't mind that I am a mom, I just don't want to like be overly mom looked. Like, I do still like to have some style and, you know, feel good about myself. I don't feel good about myself in mom jeans. Like, no crickets. Okay, so anyway, let me show again. Thy back, thy front, and maybe when I review this video, I'll get a better idea of how I feel about this in my life, because they're super comfortable. Like, they are everything. The material is soft. The waistband feels amazing. They're very, you know, I can, you know, do the comfortable walk how I want to walk instead of the hula dance I was talking about and the lunges. Like, these are just very much like at your leisure. All right, so last but not least, and again, I don't know if I'll like these ones. These are a really pretty like sage green color, which is why I chose them, because they're super cute. but they do have this distress at the bottom that they worked on the other shorts. I loved them, but these ones I just don't know. These are from a brand called Scoop. So, like, what's the Scoop? These ones were a little more expensive. They were $24. 24. Retro boy short is what they say on thy tag. So, we'll see. Okay, I like the fit. The comfort level on these is good. I like it. So, let me just tie up my shirt so we can get the visual of thy dang things. Okay, so here's, okay, these are super comfortable as well. I would say for comfort level, they are 10 out of 10. I don't know, again, it's the gut check thing. It's this right here, which I feel the no boundaries. They did the thing for me. And maybe it's because these are lighter colors. I have no clue, but so I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know. Oh, it's exhausting trying on clothes when you're short and chubby and have a gut. So, I don't know, guys. You'll have to let me know, like, what you thought, because personally, like, I want to do this to show you guys how cute Walmart stuff is. And if you're curvy like me and you have the same issues as me, like, I feel your pain, and that is why I want to do this video. But also, I think sometimes we are our own worst critics. So I do thank you guys for joining me on my first haul, clothing haul. Please like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. I do plan on starting to do some little short stories there, so keep a lookout for that. And thank you again, my friends and family. Have a great weekend.